Want total control over your Walmart listings? Here's how to claim brand ownership today. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you where to access free Walmart training for you. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Walmart. And the only way to do that is to conquer Walmart together. Let's dive in. Okay, so first you just log into seller.walmart.com and you're gonna log into your seller Walmart account and you're gonna go to catalog and media library. Then if you don't have a registered brand, it's gonna say register your brand. And this is where you register your trademark for Walmart. So you can click on this button and then you can just sign in. So you can click sign in and you can sign in with the same use seller account. That's what I recommend. Or you can create a separate account, but I recommend just connect it to your seller account and then sign in. Boom, and there you go. It says welcome and it says my name. How nice. You're gonna click start and then you're gonna confirm your business details. Optional, attach additional documents, your business registration. If it says optional, I'm not doing it. And then you're gonna click next. You're gonna put your brand name. So let's say your brand name was Desire and your trademark. Now this is not like Amazon. Your trademark actually has to be registered. When you file a trademark on the USPTO.gov website, which is the US website to file your trademark and review your trademark, it needs to actually say registered. So you need your serial number. So you're gonna put that, registration number. Put your registration number in here, and it's only registered USPTO trademarks are accepted at this time. So you're gonna put that into here, and then you're gonna upload documents like your trademark registration. You can also upload, or letter of authorization. So, and then you're gonna upload that, you're gonna continue, then Walmart's going to review it. Walmart's a bit slow, so they could take 7 days, maybe a little bit more, and then you'll get approved. Once you're approved on here, then you should have access to this. If you don't have access to this, then you're going to contact Walmart directly and be like, hey, I'm registered in Brand Portal. Please connect it to my seller account. And then they'll connect it and they'll give you access to benefits like register your brand and adding rich media. Now, once you're registered and you go to media library, it's going to be just like this, and you can click add media. You can add videos, 360 spin videos, right? And you can look at your listing, and now our listing has videos for one of our clients. So it's a great way to help you increase your sales, increase your conversion rate, to have an actual video on your listing and a 360 spin. Not only that, when you update your listing, your updates will go through pretty much almost 100% of the time because now you're the listing owner. So it's going to be a lot harder for anybody else to change your listing or come on your listing because now you're the listing owner. You can kick them off a lot faster. And what I mean about kicking them off is if you go to brandportal.walmart.com, there's other benefits. So again, just sign in one more time. Now, if you sign into Brand Portal, you get even more benefits for being a brand owner on Walmart. So not only do you get access to the 360 spin, the video on your listing, and you get full control over your listing and its updates, but you can also remove competitors. So violations, anybody reselling your product, selling under your listing, violating your trademark, patent, copyright, anything like that, you can submit them. So you can see we have 6 claims in progress. We've got 34 that were successful right for this client. And you can see my claims. You can trademark registration, your brand portfolio. You can even add users to help them remove fakes for you. You can look at your cases. And the best thing about this is there's a special case, a special contact case. So you can click contact us and you can contact not regular seller support, but brand portal support, so brand support. And they have much, much more power than regular seller support. So if there's an issue and it's not getting resolved on your Walmart account, you can go ahead and contact brand support, and brand support is gonna have much more power to be able to help you on your Walmart listings. And for staying towards the end of the video, to access Walmart training, you're literally just gonna type in Walmart training onto Google, and then Walmart has full training. So you can say home office academy. So all Walmart seller training, let's type that in, and it's going to have seller academy right here. So this is free training that's made specifically by Walmart. You probably haven't seen it. And not only does it go over item setup, catalog optimization, but it goes over ads as well. It goes over a lot of data, and I do believe that this will help you. It's not the best and it's not the worst, but it's a great idea to go through this training to help you understand all of Walmart's tools, their policies, how to do a full inventory file update, and much, much more. So this is great training if you wanted to start on Walmart or wanted to learn more about Walmart, ads, WFS, and all that good stuff. And that's it for today's video. Comment below on how you recently conquered Walmart. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're a seller on Walmart, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're making so much more videos on Walmart that's going to help you in your sales journey. Of course, if you need help selling on Walmart, any brand registry information, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. We can help you sell on Walmart, and our #1 service is where we have the consultant come in. They're going to look at your Walmart account, help you get all of those videos created, help you optimize your listings, and most importantly, help you generate more sales. That's our full account management. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. Link in bio for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.